Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you all options about the dictionary in your iPhone 14 Pro Max. So to go there, just click on settings, scroll down, go to the general, and scroll down. We have a dictionary option, so click on it. And as you see, there is a many of a dictionary in your iPhone, but I didn't see full option of language. But anyway, from here you can choose the dictionary which you want. After you choose, it will be download automatically. Yep. And you can untap the language which you don't want to have of your dictionary. Yep. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Bye.